You've spent hours creating a training video only to have your viewers tune out in the first few minutes. And who can blame them? Here's what most training videos look like: dry and boring. But it doesn't have to be that way. With Camtasia Rev Smart Focus, you can turn a basic screen recording into a clear, engaging training video without having to spend hours in the editor. For this video, we will take an existing recording and send it into the Rev workflow. If you want to follow along, download Camtasia Editor for free with the link in the description. To start, go to the media bin. Right-click the recording and choose Import to Camtasia Rev. You'll see that Rev automatically applies a clean layout, saving you time from adding a bunch of manual effects. Now you can choose between a variety of different looks for your video. Once you find the look you want, click over to the Screen tab. Here, you'll find all the effects that apply to your screen recording. At the bottom, you'll see Smart Focus. The Smart Focus tool uses cursor data from your recording to find points of interest. It uses that to automatically zoom and pan around the screen, making your content more engaging. This feature has been available in Camtasia Editor for a while, but now you can easily toggle it on as a Rev effect. Pro tip: Smart Focus works best when your clicks are intentional and kept to a minimum. Now that Smart Focus is applied, you're ready to save your work. You can choose Rev Media for a single flexible media file, or Unpacked Media if you prefer working with individual tracks. Rev remembers your Smart Focus toggle and media preference for next time, so your workflow stays fast and consistent. Once your Rev Media file appears on the timeline, you can take full control of the individual media. With your media selected on the timeline, go to the Properties panel. Here you can select between the screen, camera, or background to make changes. Want to adjust the framing of your screen recording? That's easy. Is your camera off-center? Slide it on over. Want to get marketing to leave you alone? Swap in your brand colors. Want to get really serious about editing? Just right-click your media and choose Unpack Rev Media. But for most training videos, you won't need more than that. Now your team can make training videos faster than ever, and your learners will get a clearer, more engaging experience. If this video helped you, give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more Camtasia tips. Thanks for watching.